Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to add your Affirm virtual card to Apple Wallet in 2025. If you're tired of fumbling with physical cards or apps during checkout, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time, making your payments faster and more secure. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Affirm app installed on your iPhone. Head to the App Store if needed, as 2025 updates include smoother integrations for virtual cards. Step 1. Open the Affirm app and log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Cards or Virtual Card section. If you don't have a virtual card yet, tap the option to generate one. It's quick and usually just requires confirming your details. Step 2. Select your virtual card and look for the Add to Wallet button. In 2025, Affirm has enhanced this feature for seamless compatibility with Apple devices, so it should be straightforward. Step 3. Switch to the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Step 4. When prompted, choose to add your Affirm card. You'll need to enter the card details manually or use your camera to scan the information from the Affirm app. Make sure to input the card number, expiration date, and CVV accurately. Step 5. Apple Wallet will then verify the card, which might involve a quick authentication step like entering a one-time code sent via text or email. Once verified, your Affirm virtual card will appear in your wallet. Step 6. Test it out by making a payment or just viewing it in your wallet to ensure everything looks good. If you encounter any issues, check that your iOS is updated to the latest 2025 version, as this is crucial for full compatibility. And there you have it. Your Affirm virtual card is now ready to use with Apple Wallet for effortless transactions. This simple setup can save you time and hassle in your daily life. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.